Hi, this is Ray from soyachincha.com and welcome to our new series where we bring you the latest tech news that mattered today in case you missed it. Samsung is finally rolling out its latest Android 9 Pie with OneUI here in Malaysia. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy S9 and also S9 Plus, it's time for you to update. But if you haven't received any notifications, don't worry because you can do it manually. All you have to do is go to Settings, Software Update, and also Download Update manually, and you are basically good to go. If you are traveling with AirAsia this coming weekend, do note that their reservation system will be down from Saturday 2 PM until Sunday 3 AM. According to AirAsia, they are actually in the process of upgrading their reservation system to provide a better online experience. This also affects the check-in system, including the check-in kiosk at the airport. If you are flying this weekend, I suggest you check in now. OnePlus is expected to launch its OnePlus 7 earlier this year. However, this device might not come with a notch and also a punch hole display because according to a shared image by it appears that the device will come with a edge-to-edge display, just like the Oppo Find X and also the Mi Mix 3. Since there's no space for any camera, it appears that the device will actually come with this sliding mechanism. However, we don't know that if it's manual or actually motorized, so we will find out when the device actually launches. Besides that, the device is expected to come with a Snapdragon 855 processor and also 10 gigs of RAM. When Apple first introduced their iPhone X back in 2017, they also introduced something they would like to call the AirPower, which is a wireless charging mat which allows you to charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and also your AirPods together at once. The charging mat was supposed to be launched during 2018, but Apple has actually removed it from their website, but we don't know why. But according to a tweet by ChargeLab, it seems like the AirPower is now in production. If this information is true, you better be prepared to fork out a huge sum of money because this thing will not be cheap. No. Okay, that's all from me. If you want to learn more of what I've said just now, the links are in the description box. So what do you think of our new series? Let us know in the comments down below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here. And also last week, ICYMI here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!